In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Binance. Now, for us to get this done, once you're in your homepage, you should be able to see here a big option to deposit. I want you to go ahead and click that over there. And then you're going to go ahead and choose what you're going to deposit. If it is money, then what we are going to do is choose the second option right here, buy with PHP. PHP refers to Philippine money, and it is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to click that over there. And yeah, from here, go ahead and type here the amount. Say for example, I'm gonna go ahead and type 500. Oops, seems like that is not the minimum, so let's go ahead and type there. There you go. And then you're going to go ahead and choose which cryptocurrency you're going to be buying. So yeah, there are different options in here. Yeah, I'm going to be choosing Tether for now, and then I'm going to click buy it. So once you're here, what is going to happen is that based from the payment method, you should be able to see here an instruction on how to do it. So for example, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and click view payment, next, and then tap the next button, hit OK. So from here, what I'm going to do is pay on this particular account right here. Afterwards, I'm just going to inform them that I have already paid. So say for example, I have paid. I'm going to click transferred and then notify the seller. And then I'm going to go ahead and upload the proof of payment here, and then click this one. And then just go ahead and click this transferred, notify seller. And yeah, that is how easy it is to deposit money in Binance.